Hi, and welcome back to your Body, Mind, and Home. This is the oral hygiene demo. Part 1 is brushing your teeth, tongue, and roof of your mouth. And the second part is using a water flosser instead of using regular floss. So let's get started. Part 1, brushing. The 3 things to remember: guide and glide, variation, and focus on your trouble spots. Okay. That's it. Part 2, the water flosser. Remember that the point of the water flosser is for your gums. So although you'll do a little bit on your teeth, the main focus is going along your gums. So here's the water flosser. It's got lukewarm water in it. And I've got the smallest wand, which I think is the best. And then we're gonna run this at level 7 or 8. You'll probably want to start at 3 or 4 or 5 and work your way up if you've never used one of these before. Okay, here we go. Okay, that was a little bit messier than it normally is, but I was just trying to show you what I was doing. Now I'm gonna rinse the wand in hot water inside and out. And I'm gonna dump out the water in here. And I'm gonna hold the base up and hold this part down, the wand down, to drain the wand of any water, so you don't get any mold or mildew in there. And that's it. Just do that every night. Takes 20 seconds or so, and you're golden. Okay?